हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम एक फिजियोलॉजी के टॉपिक ब्लड की बात करने वाले हैं। ब्लड में हम सबसे पहले बात करेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन, प्रॉपर्टीज़, कंपोजिशन और फंक्शन की। तो इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करते हैं। ब्लड इज ए कनेक्टिव टिश्यू फ्लूइड. It is considered as the fluid of life because it carries oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body and carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs. It is known as fluid of growth because it carries nutritive substance from the digestive system and hormones from endocrine gland to all the tissues. The blood is also called the fluid of health because it protects the body against the disease and gets rid of the waste products and unwanted substances by transporting them to the excretory organs like kidney. हम बात करते हैं प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ब्लड की। कलर, blood is in red color. Arterial blood is scarlet red because it contains more oxygen, and venous blood is purple red because of more carbon dioxide. उसके वॉल्यूम की बात करें तो एवरेज वॉल्यूम ऑफ ब्लड इन नॉर्मल एडल्ट इज 5 लीटर. इन ए न्यू बॉर्न बेबी द वॉल्यूम इज 450 ml. It increases during growth and reaches 5 liter at the time of puberty. In females, it is slightly less and is about 4.5 liter. It is about 8% of the body weight in normal young healthy adult weighing about 70 kg. Reaction and pH. Blood is slightly alkaline and its pH in normal condition is 7.4. Specific gravity of total blood 1.052 to 1.061. Specific gravity blood cells 1.092 to 1.101. और specific gravity of plasma 1.022 to 1.026. Viscosity. Blood is 5 times more viscous than water. It is mainly due to red blood cells and plasma proteins. Composition of blood. Blood contains the blood cells which are called formed elements and the liquid portion known as plasma. प्लाज्मा की बात करें तो सॉलिड्स होते हैं 7 to 8%, वाटर होता है 92 to 93% और गैसेस. सॉलिड्स में होते हैं ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस और इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस, जिनकी बात हम प्लाज्मा का चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे तब अच्छे से करेंगे. और इसमें बाकी प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन्स, अमीनो एसिड्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स, इंटरनल सिक्रेशंस लाइक हार्मोन, एंजाइम्स और नॉन प्रोटीन, नाइट्रोजन सब्सटेंस, एंटीबॉडीज सब होते हैं. ब्लड सेल्स की बात करें तो 3 टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लड सेल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द ब्लड. रेड ब्लड सेल्स और इरिथ्रोसाइट्स, वाइट ब्लड सेल्स और ल्यूकोसाइट्स, प्लेटलेट्स और थ्रोम्बोसाइट्स. हेमेटोक्रिट वैल्यू की बात करें, इफ blood is collected in hematocrit tube along with a suitable anticoagulant and centrifuged for 30 times at a speed of 3000 revolutions per minute. The red blood cells settle down at the bottom having a clear plasma. At the top, plasma forms 55% and red blood cells form 45% of the total blood. Volume of red blood cells expressed in percentage is called the hematocrit value or packed cell volume. In between the plasma and the red blood cells, there is a thin layer of white puffy coat. This white puffy coat is formed by the aggregation of white blood cells and platelets. ये तो काम का नहीं है ज़्यादा. हम बात करें प्लाज्मा की तो प्लाज्मा इज ए स्ट्रो कलर्ड क्लियर लिक्विड पार्ट ऑफ ब्लड. इट कंटेन्स 91% to 92% ऑफ वाटर, 8 to 9% सॉलिड्स. द सॉलिड्स आर द ऑर्गेनिक एंड द इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस, जिसकी हम बात कर चुके हैं. बाकी प्लाज्मा के अलग से चैप्टर है तो उसमें पूरा डिस्कस करेंगे. सीरम. Serum is the clear straw colored fluid that oozes from blood clot. When the blood is shed or collected in a container, it clots. In this process, the fibrinogen is converted into fibrin, and the blood cells are trapped in this fibrin, forming the blood clot. After about 45 minutes, serum oozes out of the blood clot. For clinical investigations, serum is separated from blood cells and clotting elements by centrifuging. Volume of serum is almost the same as that of the plasma, 55%. It is different from plasma only by the absence of fibrinogen. That is, serum contains all the other constituents of plasma except fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is absent in serum because it is converted into fibrin during blood clotting. Thus, serum equal to plasma minus fibrinogen. अब देखते हैं फंक्शंस ऑफ ब्लड। सबसे पहला फंक्शन है न्यूट्रिटिव फंक्शन। न्यूट्रिटिव सब्सटेंसेस लाइक ग्लूकोज, अमीनो एसिड्स, लिपिड्स एंड विटामिन्स derived from digested food are absorbed from gastrointestinal tract and carried by blood to different parts of the body for growth and production of energy. और रेस्पिरेटरी फंक्शन है सेकेंड। ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी gases is done by the blood. It carries oxygen from alveoli of lungs to different tissues and carbon dioxide from tissues to alveoli. थर्ड फंक्शन है एक्सक्रिएटरी फंक्शन। वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट formed in the tissues during various metabolic activities are removed by blood and carried to excretory organ like kidney, skin, liver, etc. for excretion. Fourth function is transport of hormones and enzymes. Hormones which are secreted by ductless endocrine glands are released directly into the blood. The blood transports these hormones to their target organs or tissues. Blood also transports enzymes. Fifth function है regulation of water balance. Water content of the blood is freely interchangeable with interstitial fluid. This helps in the regulation of water content of the body. Regulation of acid-base balance. Plasma proteins and hemoglobin act as buffers and help in the regulation of acid-base balance. Regulation of body temperature. Because of the high specific heat of blood, it is responsible for maintaining the thermoregulatory mechanism in the body. That is the balance between heat loss and heat gain in the body. Eighth function is storage function. Water and some important substances like proteins, glucose, sodium, and potassium are constantly required by the tissues. Blood serves as a ready-made source for these substances, and these substances are taken from blood during the conditions like starvation, fluid loss, electrolyte loss, etc. Defensive function. Ninth function. Blood plays an important role in defense of the body. The white blood cells are responsible for this function. Neutrophils and monocytes engulf the bacteria by phagocytosis. Lymphocytes are involved in development of immunity. Eosinophils are responsible for detoxification, disintegration and removal of foreign proteins. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन, जो नेक्स्ट में बात करेंगे। थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू।